Hey everyone, this is Ayushi Jain and welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. And today's video is going to be about the 5 apps or 5 photo editing apps. So without the first app which I want to recommend you guys is Lightroom app. Lightroom app is a very good app for editing your photos just like the professionals do, and it has very cool presets, so you can surely use Lightroom app to edit your pictures. The next app which I want to recommend you is Snapseed. Yes, Snapseed is very I want to say it is a very good app because it has very good features, if you want, like I use it for removing any unwanted materials from my photographs with healing function. So yeah, it also has many cool functions, so you can surely use Snapseed app. The next app which I want to recommend you is that PicsArt. So yeah, PicsArt is also very good app. If you want to make any thumbnails or posters, you can surely go with PicsArt app because it has very cool stickers, and it can be used for cool photo edits. And yeah, you can use PicsArt for editing your pictures. The next app which I want to recommend you is Photoroom app. Photoroom app is very good app for if you want to change any background, or if you want any cut out kind of thing, and if you want any blur feature in your app, in your photo, so you can surely use the Photoroom app. The next app which I want to recommend you is Vapogram app. Yeah, a Vapogram app is very cool app if you want your pictures in a vintage manner, or if you want your pictures to be 70s, if you want any 70s or 90s effect in your picture, you can surely go with Vapogram app because it has very cool like moving features, glitch effects, and classic look. So you can surely use Vapogram app. So yeah, that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I have given all the links of all apps in my description box. Do download them and use them, and I'll see you guys in the next video.